In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a map sensor in a Honda CR-V with a 2.4 liter engine. It's located in your engine bay area. After you've raised your hood, you're going to see your map sensor is located right here. This is your intake manifold. That's your throttle body. It's an 8mm bolt. But first you want to unplug it. You can do it one of two ways. You can push down on this side, or you can go in here with the pick, lift up with the pick from the back side, push your connector towards the rear of the vehicle. Once you take your 8mm bolt out, lift straight up. And that's your map sensor. Before you install your map sensor, you can just put a little bit of lube on the O-ring right here. It's just going to help you install it into the manifold easily. It clips in like that. Line up your bolt hole, start your bolt, and you want to tighten that down to 9 foot-pounds. Take your connector, plug it back into your sensor, wait for that click, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.